Hello students, in this video, that is video number 2, we will discuss about couple. In the first video we have a discussion on the turning effect, and in this video we will discuss couple. Students, as we have discussed so far, that when a force is applied on a pivoted body, it causes rotational motion in it. Actually, rotational motion is always produced by a pair of forces. Once again, students, in actual, the rotational motion is always produced by a pair of forces. First of all, this is a rod and it is pivoted from here. Now first of all, where and how the force is applied, that is also more important. Suppose if you will apply a force here at this fixed point, what will happen? Since the perpendicular distance is 0, so no torque is there. Or in other examples, suppose you want to turning a water tap. For this, just see that two forces are being applied. This is like this. Only then, or you can take an example of this, tightening the cap, this turning a steering wheel, turning a key in a lock. So just see that two equal and opposite. So just see two equal and opposite parallel forces not acting along the same line form a couple. That is known as form a couple. Just see that two equal and opposite, and both are parallel to each other but not acting along the same line. Okay, so it forms a couple. So a couple is always needed to produce a rotation. So moment of couple. So in order to understand it, this is a horizontal bar, two equal opposite and parallel forces, suppose acting on it, and it is pivoted at a point O. Let the two ends of the horizontal bar is A and B. The force F is applied in the vertically upward direction. The force F is applied vertically downward direction. Now the distance between A and B is D. Now moment of force at point B. First of all, from here, due to force F, just see to it, when you will apply a force F in the vertically upward direction, it start moving in a anti-clockwise direction. So F is the magnitude of the force applied, OB is the perpendicular distance from the pivoted point. Like this, moment of force at point A due to force F, just see to it is acting downward, so it will move in a anti-clockwise direction. So according to the definition of moment of force, that is equal to magnitude of the force F and the perpendicular distance of the force from the line of action O. So OA, that is anti-clockwise. Now resultant of moment of force. So resultant means the total sum of moment of force. So F into OB plus F into OA. F common, OB plus OA. So OB plus OA, that is equal to D. So moment of couple, that is equal to force into perpendicular distance, that is anti-clockwise. It depends that how and where the force is applied. Even you can prove it, this moment of couple, by taking the force at point A in the vertically upward direction and at point B vertically downward direction. Now the rotation will reverse. In this case it is anti-clockwise. If you will take a case at A, so the case will be clockwise. So this is what couple is. So once again, the SI unit of couple is same as the moment of force. So definition is very, very important. Once again, so we can say that thus two equal and opposite parallel forces not acting along the same line form a couple. So with this topic is finished. Thank you very much.